Welcome to One Kanji a Day. This weekend, an animal special. 10 kanji for the creatures of Japan. Learn these and a whole world opens up. From the puppy at your feet to the sacred deer of Nara and the turtle that is said to live 10,000 years.
Animals are everywhere in Japan. On shrine plaques, on food menus, even in the way people tease each other. But every sign still looks like a puzzle to me.
By the end of this, they will read like a trip to the zoo, and you will pick up a trick where two animals join to make one of the most common words in the whole language, a word you have almost certainly heard. Let us start with the friendliest face of all.
This first one, sturdy little thing. A dog?
A dog it is. Inu, the loyal companion you see everywhere, from tiny apartment pets to the famous Akita waiting by the station.
Inu. Does it change when the dog is small?
Sweetly. Add ko, meaning child, and you get koinu, a puppy. That little ko turns almost any animal into its baby, so hold on to it.
This next one, I feel like it should be purring. A cat?
A cat, neko, maybe the most beloved animal in all of Japan. You will see it on posters, in cafes, and sitting in shop windows.
Neko. Is there a special cat I keep seeing in shops?
There is. Add maneki, meaning beckoning, and you get maneki neko, the little cat with one paw raised that waves in good luck and customers.
Something with wings this time. A bird?
A bird, tori. On its own, it is any bird in the sky, but Japanese does something delicious with it.
Delicious? A bird?
Add yaki, meaning grilled, and you get yakitori, the grilled chicken skewers you smell down every evening alley. Same kanji, now dinner.
This one looks like it could swim off the screen.
A fish, sakana, the heart of Japanese cooking, and the busiest word at any morning market.
Sakana. What is that little golden one they scoop at summer festivals?
A kingyo, a goldfish. Notice the reading shifts. Kin for gold plus gyo, the other voice of this very same fish kanji. One character, two sounds.
This next one has horns poking up. A cow?
A cow, ushi, and just like the bird, it walks straight onto the menu.
Let me guess. Another food word?
Exactly. Read it as gyu, add don for a bowl of rice, and you get gyudon, the beef bowl that feeds half of Japan on a busy lunch.
This one feels like it is galloping already. A horse?
A horse, uma. Watch this one closely, because it is one half of the trick I promised you.
Where would I ever see a horse in daily life?
At a shrine. Add e, meaning picture, and you get emma, the little wooden plaque where people write a wish and hang it up. And remember, on its own, it is uma.
This next one is elegant, tall, and slender. A deer?
A deer, shika, the gentle animal that bows for crackers in the parks of Nara.
So what is the trick? Horse and deer somehow?
Here it is. Put uma and shika together, horse plus deer, and you get baka, which means a fool. Two calm animals side by side spell the most common playful insult in Japan.
This one is small and busy looking. An insect?
An insect, mushi, every beetle, cricket, and cicada of the Japanese summer.
Does it sneak into any everyday words?
A funny one. Add ha, meaning tooth, and it softens to mushiba, a cavity, literally a bug in your tooth. You will never forget it now.
This one looks big and heavy. A bear?
A bear, kuma, the shy giant of the northern mountains and the star of many a local mascot.
Can I make it a polar bear?
Easily. Add shiro, meaning white, and you get shirokuma, a white bear, the polar bear. Colors plus animals build whole new creatures.
And this last one, low and round. A turtle?
A turtle, kame, a symbol of long life in Japan. The old saying gives the crane 1,000 years and the turtle 10,000.
Can I connect it back to the sea?
Beautifully, add umi, the sea, and you get umigame, a sea turtle. A perfect place to end, an animal that outlives us all.
Dog, cat, bird, fish, cow, horse, deer, bug, bear, and turtle. And horse plus deer makes baka. I love that one.
That is your whole animal set in 10 kanji, plus the little trick of joining two to make new words, from yakitori to baka. One kanji a day, and soon the whole zoo reads itself.